Today we're going to talk about Seacocks and what they're used for. So a Seacock is basically a ball valve that allows water to come in and out. They're used for live wells, they're used for saltwater washdowns, saltwater heads. Again, you have to open and close this valve for water to come in. So for these systems to be operational, these valves have to be open. But when we're not using these systems, we would like to leave these valves closed for reasons of, let's say if we're running the boat, if the Seacock is open, the water will gravity feed up through the hose and actually fill up your bait well. So for some of us, we like to use our bait wells for coolers and things like that. So if we are running the boat and our Seacock is open and it allows water to force, while we're running the boat, it will actually force water up into the bait well, and it will fill your bait well with salt water and of course ruin your ice and whatever beverages you have in there. So we want to operate our live well. We want to turn our switch on. I can hear the pump running. So in this case, I've come back here, I've opened up my bait well, and I can see there's no water coming in. We know why? Because we haven't opened our Seacock. We open up the Seacock, which is pulling the lever up. So now we're done using our live well. We've actually pulled the plug, we're letting the live well drain, and we want to make sure that we close our Seacock. That way it doesn't allow water to gravity feed up into the bait well system while you're running the boat. Also, I'd like to mention, we want to leave our Seacocks closed for safety reasons. Let's just say that a hose was busted or the actual bait well pump itself had a crack in it and we were leaking water. We didn't know it. So that's a good safety reason to leave these Seacocks closed when we're not in use.